Apple is about to attack Samsung where it hurts. What's up guys? So as we know that Samsung is pretty much done for the year of 2024 when it comes to the major releases. The Galaxy S series already came out in the beginning of the year and now we have the new foldables. Which means the ball is now in Apple's court and this is their response. You see, both companies make Ultra and Pro version of their flagship phones, and unlike Samsung, who gatekeeps the best cameras for their Galaxy S24 Ultra and not even give them to their $2,000 Z Fold 6, Apple is about to do the opposite. Yes, the expected $1,000 iPhone 16 Pro, which competes head-to-head with the S24 Plus, it's pretty much confirmed to pack the same 5x telephoto lens as the bigger, more expensive iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not only that, we're also expected to see the same new 48 megapixel sensor as the Pro Max, as well as the rumored new 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, meaning the standard iPhone 16 Pro compared to the S24 Plus will have some major advantages when it comes to camera is concerned. The report confirms the dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro, that it is indeed a little bit larger. Display is now increased to 6.3 inches, then overall body is now accommodating the bigger 5x lens instead of the outdated 3x zoom lens which Samsung has been using for all of their non-ultra phones. Apple might not have everything clocked in, but this iPhone 16 Pro upgrade is looking pretty solid for the price. Also, Apple is finally doing something that Apple fans have been asking for so long. It is finally happening. We'll talk about it right after this. Are you looking for the best, most dynamic, durable, stylish, amazing MagSafe compatible cases for your iPhone? Then ESR has got you covered with their insane lineup of cases. Let's start off with Armor Tough case, which I'm personally using. Not only you get durability that exceeds military grade drop protection along with shock absorbing airguard corners, but also a fully adjustable stand that allows you to have a media experience comfortably hands-free. For even next level durability, we have a built-in tempered glass screen protector along with the included lens protector that ensures all-around defense. I also love the soft touch case, which is really as soft as a cloud. Strong magnetic lock for those MagSafe accessories along with a fully adjustable stand once again for that hands-free media experience. And for those who want the best of both worlds, we have the classic hybrid case. I absolutely love the look of this case along with the military grade protection, air guard corners, raised edge protection, and even more durability for the screen and the camera lenses thanks to the camera guard as well as the screen edge. And while you're using the stand for watching videos or playing games, you can MagSafe anything, for example using the MagSafe charger or the power bank. Best of all, by clicking the link in the description, you can avail up to 40% discount. ESR's Prime Day discount event is here. Make sure you don't miss out. Alrighty, according to South Korean media, not only we're about to get the best battery performance of any iPhone on the iPhone 16 series thanks to the bigger battery sizes, but also Apple is increasing the fast charging speed by almost 48% compared to the last generation. We're going from 27 watt to 40 watts of fast charging, and MagSafe charging is set to rise from 15 watts to 20 watts. Now, if you're in the Android world, you know these numbers are not gonna blow anyone's mind, but considering the world of Samsung versus Apple, the fast charging levels are now pretty similar. It's kind of sad because Samsung literally gave Apple the chance to catch up. They could have increased their fast charging to 65 watts, but no, we're now gonna have similar fast charging levels on both of these two companies. But unlike Samsung, who's just not increasing their battery size on their Ultra flagship phone or on their Galaxy Fold, Apple keeps on adding more milliamp hours, which is definitely going to make the battery life improved compared to the previous generation. Not just that, thanks to Samsung, Apple will be using the latest M4 OLED display, which is not only brighter but also the most efficient. And speaking of efficiency, the iPhone 16 Pro lineup will get the new A18 Pro chip with the second generation improved 3nm TSMC process for even better efficiency and performance, combined with a strong neural engine to support Apple Intelligence features, and then finally an upgraded GPU to support Apple's plan when it comes to console gaming for the iPhone 16 series. In all honesty, Samsung should have upgraded the camera sensors, at least the zoom sensor, on their non-ultra flagship phones, but no, Apple is now moving ahead. iPhone 16 Pro with an optimal 6.3-inch display, similar camera features as the 16 Pro Max, it's gonna be a pretty hot iPhone this season. Now last but not the least, a very interesting news is coming from a UK facility regarding the new under-the-hood changes for the Face ID on the entire iPhone 16 lineup. Apparently, Apple has dropped their previous Face ID component supplier for a new supplier because they are making an advanced version of Face ID system. Now we don't know the actual changes, but it is expected that it's said to be faster for recognition. We could see improvements with the quality of photos as well as better AR experience. There's even some discussion regarding the size shrinkage of the dynamic island, but personally I don't think it's gonna change, not until the iPhone 17 series next year. So there we go, the iPhone 16 Pro is about to put some pressure on Samsung, not the Pro Max. These phones are looking to bite Samsung for kinda slacking in my opinion, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out ESR's deal in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.